motherfucker on that beat, no? Hype. Mustard on the beat, ho, Debo, any rap nigga, he a freak though. Man down, call out Everlambs, tell him breathe, bro. Nail a nigga to the cross, he walk around like Tizo.
What's up with these reclony ass niggas trying to see Compton? The industry can hating, fuck them all in the mother. How many ops you really got? I mean, it's too many options. I'm finna pass on this body, I'm John Stockton.
Beat your ass and hide the Bible if God watching. Sometimes you gotta pop out and show niggas. Certified boogeyman, I'm the one that up to score with him. Walk him down the whole time, I know he got some hoe in him. Hold on him, extort shit, really defraud him.
Say Drake, I hear you like I'm young. You better not ever go to cell block 1. To any bitch that talk to him and they in love, just make sure you hide your little sister from him.
They tell me Chuck's the only one.